Get coffee or something? Are they open?
Oh yeah.
So they shoot these bulls last year, and they go in to get them. And I guess they run all the elk off of the.
Opening day today. We got a bunch of elk bedded last night down here in the bottom. So we're taking Colton in, my brother for his first bull. We're gonna try to intercept him and get these elk cut off and get a nice bull on the ground. So we've got about a mile hike in the dark, get in position, and then hopefully something crosses. So we're on it. We're about 500 yards from that shooting spot that I want to be. We got bad thermals going down towards the elk, so we're just gonna camp out here for about another 20 minutes. It's 20 less minutes. Our wind will be blowing around. This is what those elk do right here. We got a bunch of elk down here in the bottom. So we're in position, just waiting for him to come up. Hopefully there's a big bull in the bunch.
On the left with his head down, all the way on the left on that trail.
Yeah, he's okay.
Just come on. There's an elk. There's an elk down on the bottom. Look at all those elk. See where they are. Oh, here they come. Here's the whole herd. To the right. You see the front one? Yes. Just let it please. I will. Don't move. Hold on. Don't move. Get ready. Put your scope on him. You see him? Don't shoot you. Dude, you gotta get a rest over. Get down on that rock. Get down on that rock. We're gonna get up the ridge over here. Right here. Just get ready.
They're gonna go single file up there. Alright, stay on him. Stay on him. Might hopefully line out when he gets above that bush. You see him? Yeah. Oh, we got on him. It's just a matter of crossing.
That's him right there?
Yeah. We were in perfect position this morning. There's about 150 head. We got right in line with them. Somebody else took some shots from way away and grouped all the elk up, and we got on the herd bull, Colton, at 200 yards, but we couldn't get him to clear a cow, so we didn't take the shot, played it safe. So they're just feeding up over the top of a ridge right now. We're just debating, let them go bed, and then we're gonna belly crawl up over and try to find that bull in his bed. Hopefully get Colton a good, nice, steady shot. Well, elk went over embedded, so we're making our big loop to get out on top of him, get Colton in position, get this big bull killed, so let's make it happen.
Creep down here and come up over the top and hopefully pull a little sneak on him and get a good shot in this little bowl over here. So should be pretty good.
This is definitely our bull, right?
There he goes. Get ready. Right over and put another shell. Put him lower. Wait. Nice shot. Put another one in. Get ready. Good. Hold up. Get ready. He's going to come out on that opening, okay? Let him get across there. Hold on. He's down.
Die right there.
Bull down. We got on this bull this morning early, hiked in on him, and Colton couldn't get a shot. Too many elk. So we hiked on around on him, got the wind in our favor, and waited for him to stand up. Colton hammered him. So we're pretty pumped. Awesome Idaho general season bull. What do you think?
Oh yeah, fun hunt.
Sweet, buddy.